Hi guys, we are back and we are going to learn about CSS. We are in the CSS course, so now we are going to just look at the layout of HTML, like not layout of HTML, like how we can change the layout. So I'm going to change this to layout and I'll just refresh layout. I've just set up, everything is ready, and then so we have the body tag. We'll keep h1 CSS course. CSS course has come. This is the basic CSS course to know the basics of CSS. Just some random sentence. So now in this, okay, so first I created the styles.css. Also we have to give a link rel style sheet styles.css, and now here body width, let's say a 900 pixels, and then font family Courier, new Courier, monospace, just some random color, #887 grayish. Then h1 background color, Alice blue, there's no blue, aqua. Excuse me. Padding 64 pixels. It's gonna be huge, not 64 pixels. 20 pixels should be fine. And then p width 20 pixels, so it's 20 pixels only, so it has folded. Let's give it 100 pixels. Okay, that's small. 150. 150 looks good. And then so we can give the position relative like that, but position static is the default. The default is position static. So then position relative we have, so we'll just copy this. It's the basic. We'll just change it. I press Ctrl Shift down arrow, and so I can select both. And then now I'll type some random text as an example. One will keep full stop, one we will not. P, we'll just select nth child 1, so the first P. The first P only it's gonna apply. Okay, so there's a problem. P colon. Okay, you know what, we'll keep class equal to 1, and then we'll just keep a dot 1. Then we can give class 2 and class 3. Dot 2 will give position relative, and then we'll give a top 30 pixels. So top it's gonna have 30 pixels, so it's getting mixed up. 20 pixels, okay, or let's say a 15 to give a little space. 15 pixels, it doesn't look that much. And then left 100 pixels. Let's try a 500 pixels. 900. Okay, so that's, we can scroll now. We'll just change it to 500. So it's going to relative positioning moves an element in relation to where it should have been in normal flow. Okay, so wait a second. 300. The scrolling is still there. Let's refresh. It's not gone. At 20, let's see. Yeah, and let's remove the body width, and let's remove the margin 0, padding 0, and we'll keep box sizing border box to make it easier. Yeah, we have removed the margin and padding. So relative positioning, then position absolute. So then dot 3 position absolute. So now if we keep position absolute, it's gonna act like it's not even there. So wait a second. Okay, let's just say 10 pixels. Yeah, and then now then dot 3 we can give a position absolute. Yeah, so it acts like it's the box around it. So now this is position relative, so it's gonna have some box. So let's right click and inspect. Let us see its box. So it's gonna stay in relation to that box. So let's just keep it open like this. Then let's say a top 20 pixels. Yeah, you see, wait, class 2. So it's gonna stay in relation to that. So its box is 18 pixels max. So if we remove this top, it's gonna stay there. Yeah, you see it has 18 pixels. 20 pixels it has moved, but around it has 80. Let's see, 50. Okay, they both are overlapping. Yeah, let's just remove this top, but it's relative to where it should be. Then this position absolute, you can see here we give position absolute. So it's gonna act like other elements on the page are not there. So I zoomed in for so you people can see, but for you it might look like this without zooming in. So I just zoomed in to 200%, and then so it's gonna act like all those other elements are not there. So we can give a left 100 pixel. Yeah, you see, for this if we give a left 100 pixel, it's affecting the scrolling because its box was this full line, and if it moves, the box also moves. Let's just inspect it now. Inspect. Now you can see its box has also moved. So its boxes needs scrolling now. But for the position absolute, it doesn't. It acts like the other elements are not there. Yeah, it acts like it is only not there first of all. Yeah, so now we'll just remove all the styling. We can maybe remove the padding. Okay, now there's a position called fixed. Yeah, so that position fixed we'll just see. We'll just remove everything here. We'll remove all the styling. Wait a second, and we'll just remove this piece for now. P tags. So let's, instead of body we'll keep into margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box. So we have removed the, then h1 background color, let's say black, color white. Yeah, font family, let's see something nice. Impact, I never saw this. Let's remove it. Okay, this looks somewhat curved, so that's okay. And then padding of 5 pixels, just to give it some space. 5 is too small. 10. Yeah. And then now we'll go to position fixed. It's fixed, so width 100%, 100% width. And then okay, so now here we'll just add the P. Yeah, all the P's. P.1 margin top. Wait a second. Here we'll give a height of 100 pixels. Okay, 100 is too big. 50 pixels. One should be nice. And then margin top 70 pixel. Wait. Here we have to give a top 0 pixel and left 0 pixel, so it's gonna stay there only. Yeah, now you can see. And then we're going to add body height of 200 VH. So even if we scroll, you see the position fixed is staying there only, it's not going away like these. So if for P also, if we were to give position fixed, you see when we scroll it's still there, but some P's have vanished. But usually only for the header we give position fixed, so whenever people scroll they can click on the links like that. And then overlapping elements, here P.1. Yeah, so let's just remove body. Then now position fixed, we have this. So wait, we'll keep the body some height, and instead of, let's change this. What can we do? Let's change this black to something else. Antique white. Yeah, and the color, let's remove it from black. Yeah, so then Z index, to give how much, like the overlapping elements. So let's say 100. Okay, it's not working. Let's just remove all the styling and then do it again. Position fixed, top 0 pixels, left 0 pixels, and then margin 0 pixel, padding 10px. Yeah, we're gonna fix it. Width 100%. Yeah, background color as DFD, FD, F, little grayish. And then P position relative to where it should be, and top 70px, left 70 pixels, not 70. Let's just go over this and control D, 80 pixels. Yeah, so now when you, okay, wait, it's affecting. Let's remove the left. Yeah, you can see it goes over this, like it does not look good. So here we give a Z index, so it's index, if it's higher it's gonna be better. So let's say 2. Yeah, you can see now it's working. Usually for the header we give the highest, so nothing can cross it. Yeah, then we'll just remove everything. Yeah, okay, and then we'll give a block quote and just press Q for the quotes, and then we'll just type some random quote, all in capitals. Just okay, sorry, just typed it wrong. Some random quote, then we'll just press enter. Yeah, so it looks like this. And then we have a block quote, float right, it's going to float to the right of the page, width 400 pixels, font size 200%, yeah, it's bigger, font style oblique, and then font family, let's try to look for another one, trebuchet something, yeah, okay. Then, and guys, if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure to subscribe and share this video to other people if you liked it. And now margin 0px, 0px, 10px, 20px, not 120, sorry, we'll change both to 20. And then padding 10 pixels, padding 10px, and then border top 1px, solid #889, or instead of border top we'll just keep border, yeah, so it looks like this. Yeah, so like you can float elements, then you can clear the floats, so we'll just give a block quote class of clear, so dot clear, let's see, right, clear right, it's not working. Okay, instead of block quote we'll just keep it a Q and remove this block quote, yeah, okay. So now for Q we're going to give a clear class of clear -q, dot clear -q. Okay, it's not working. Okay, let's try clear left. I've never used this clear. Oh, okay, clear means the left, if you give left hand side of the same, in the same container, should not touch this quote, and then if we give right side should not touch. But if we give both sides, left and right side, no other elements in the same container can touch it, like that. Then we have like screen sizes, so page sizes, usually it will be like 1000 pixels by 570 pixels. That's for the smallest screen size laptops, yeah. And then I think my laptop, this one is 1920 wide and 1920 pixels wide and 1080 pixels uh, height. So the CSS, if you use CSS frameworks, they save you from repeatedly writing code for the same tasks, but they often require that you use class names in your HTML code that only control the look of the page. So then yeah, so multiple style sheets. So in this, suppose we create another file called test.css. So for this h1 we haven't given anything. H1 color red, so nothing is going to happen. But here @import URL test.css and we give a semicolon. Now you see, we can use multiple style sheets, or if you remove this, in HTML only you can use multiple style sheets. Test.css. Yeah, HTML you can add, or in the CSS. Yeah, so this is it, guys. This is the layout. In the next video we are going to learn about images, how to style images. Bye guys.